Spain national team here trains ahead of the match, Euro or qualification match 2024. And here is the whole squad, is the full squad of the Spain national team, which is under the head coach and their captain, Alvaro Morata. Is of course, if you remember well, the last matches that they played and in Spain. Spain won that match for almost 2 goals, and the first goal was scored by Alvaro Morata. It was just incredible finish, fantastic assist, and to be honest, nowadays Spain has a well and organized squad. Despite they did not perform well in the World Cup Qatar recently, it seems like they have asked themselves and they just know how to, of course, to play, how to go in this bigger competition.